Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's topic for environmental science, class 11th. Today's topic is biofuels and its types. It is 14th of September 2020, 13th of Badun, and according to Muslim calendar, it is 25th of Marmul Haram. So, dear students, I will also tell you 14th of September is also celebrated in the name of Hindi Divas in India. I will tell you about today's topic, that is biofuels. Dear students, as you know that bio means life. Those fuels which we get from living organisms. So the source of renewable source. It is the source of renewable energy, which is obtained from plants, animals, and algal materials. Obtained from plants, animals, and algal materials. Dear students, it is a biological raw material. It is cost effective and environmentally benign alternative to petroleum. Wood is a long exported biological fuel used directly as raw material to produce heat, which in turn is used to generate and produce electricity. So, this biofuel is cost effective and environmentally benign. Cost effective and environmentally benign or environmentally friendly, which cannot show any hurt or harm to the environment. It has mainly two types of biofuels. Firstly is bioethanol. And second one is biodiesel. Bio shows the existence of life. Bio shows livingness. It is an alcohol made by fermentation. Bioethanol is an alcohol made by fermentation. You know that fermentation is an organic substance which break down some substances into from complex to simpler molecules. It is an alcohol made by fermentation, produce sugar. Dear students, bioethanol is an alcohol made by fermentation produced in sugar or storage crops like sugarcane or sweet sorghum. Cereal grass. It is mostly carbohydrate, cellulosic biomass, and derived from non-food sources like trees and grass. So, bioethanol is an alcohol made by fermentation produced in sugar or storage crops. Sugar and storage crops. Dear students, cellulose or sweet sorghum. It is mostly carbohydrate, biomass, and derived from non-food sources like trees and grass. So, dear students, the ethanol is used as a fuel for vehicles in its pure form. Used in vehicles in its pure form. Bioethanol is widely used in the USA and in Brazil. Cellulosic ethanol is dominantly used as a gasoline additive. Similarly, Biodiesel is obtained from oily plants such as soybean. Oily plants such as soybean, oil palm, sunflower, etc. Oil palm, sunflower, etc. This liquid is similar in composition to fossil. Chemically, it consists mostly fatty acids, methyl or ethyl esters. It's widely used in Europe. The use it of so it's mostly used in Europe, largely used in Europe. Use of alga and carbobacteria as a source of third generation. Biodiesel holds promise but has been difficult to develop it economically. Algal species contains 40% of lipids. 40% of lipids which can be converted into biodiesel or synthetic petroleum. On an estimation, alga and cyanobacteria could yield between 10 to 100 times more. 10 to 100 times more fuel per unit or than the second generation biofuel. Biodiesel can be used in any diesel mixed with mineral diesel. So, to some extent, I will explain biodiesel. It is obtained from oily plants such as soybean, oil palm, sunflower, etc. This liquid is similar in composition to fossil. Chemically, it consists mostly fatty acids, methyl or ethyl esters. It is widely used in Europe. Use of alga and cyanobacteria as a source of third generation biodiesel holds promise but has been difficult to develop it economically. Algal species contains 40% of lipids which can be converted into biodiesel or synthetic petroleum. On an estimation, alga and cyanobacteria could yield between 10 to 100 times more biofuel per unit or than the second generation biofuels. Biodiesels can be used in any diesel mixed with mineral diesels. So, biofuels are those fuels which we obtain from plants, animals, or any other algal materials. So, it was about biofuels. وما ألغنا إلى البلاغ المبين